Hey YouTube, this is Michael at Back in Nam. This is part 2 of the knife build. Right now I'm going to start sanding it, cleaning it up and everything, and I'm going to range from this real quick is a Pretty Lady speaker. I cannot break it, so gotta be really careful with that. I'm going to be ranging from 80, go up to 120, then go to 320. Then I'm going to get some 400 and that should be good. Get back to you when I'm sanding. I'm going to start sanding here. I'm using 80 grit. Have you guys picked that up on camera? Now I'm just putting it on the back side of a paint stick. Let me put my other glove on. I don't want to get my hands all dirty. I usually don't care about that, but I got these gloves here. Might as well use them, right? Right now you guys are kind of rigged up on a grinder, so you guys can see this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope the view's okay. It looks okay on my phone. But just I should have gave you guys the before. I'll be able to do that though. If you guys hear a chainsaw in the background, it's Matt. He's literally like right out there. He's cutting up firewood. And if you guys don't know from the description of yesterday's video, this is going to be a present for Chris, who is Matt's dad. It's supposed to be a Christmas present, but kind of got distracted and the knife room wasn't set up yet, so I didn't want to make it. But do this a little more. I'll file that down. But just in that little time, I'll show you what I have. Then I'll cut out and I'll stand some more. Then I'll go to next grit and bring you guys back. I'll show you guys real quick without dropping my phone. So, I'll take you guys out real quick. Give me a second. So this is what I got so far, just with that 80 grit. You can see what it looked like before. Now, before. Now. Yeah. Well, I did the 80 grit and this is what it looks like right now. Here's one side. This side was a little more dirty, so gonna hit this with 120 grit next. Get it nice and sharp after I'm done sanding. Make a Kydex sheath for it. Put oak handles on it. Get back to you when I'm sanding some more. Well, I got some 120 here. Gonna do the same thing I did with the 80. Except that now there's a little more 120, so put it on the paint stick so it's nice and flat. show you guys what it looks like here. Hey guys, I am at 320 grit. Put that in there somewhere. And I don't think I'm gonna polish this knife up for the fact that Chris likes patina and stuff, and he'll beat the crap out of this knife. I know he will. He likes to use them just like we do. So like all the little imperfections and stuff that you guys think I should take out or you think would look nice to take out so there wouldn't be any, he actually likes that stuff. I do too. It makes the knife have its own character. So I'm going to leave them in there for him. But I'm just going to do the blade because I'm hiding the handle part. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm hiding it underneath a piece of oak that I'm taking from an old chair we have. That we some old chairs that we have. I'm going to use those for oak handles since they're made out of it. But sand a little bit. I ain't got much more sanding to go. This looks pretty good, if I do say so myself. And I'll show you guys here from another angle. Oop, focus. Well, I didn't record making this bevel or anything along, well, sharpening it or anything because it took me probably an hour to do it. Turn this light on here so you can really see it. Come on, you can do it. There. And this thing is razor sharp right now, so I hope he likes it. Right now, I am gonna cut out the handle for it. And all I did to make that is I flipped the belt around. You guys saw it in every other video, every knife video I make. You just flip a sanding belt around and use so instead of the rough side, you use the back side and you put some Jeweler Rouge on it. And it just sharpens it like crazy. I'll get back to you when I'm making the handle. Well, YouTube, I got the handles cut out, drilled the holes. Now I'm going to be ready for epoxy. I'm using Hobbytown, USA. That's where it was. Think. Come on, focus. You can. This is half and half epoxy. But I'm going to epoxy it, put it all together, and then I'll show you once it's done epoxied. This is actually going to be a 3-part series. I thought it was only going to be 2, but I'm going to let this sit overnight, even though it says 20 minutes. Tomorrow, I'll sand this down, finish the blade up. It's almost finished anyways, but put boiled linseed oil on it, make the guided sheath for it. See you guys tomorrow. Here it is, all clamped up and epoxied. Tape the blades so the epoxy won't get on it. See you guys tomorrow.